guess the company has sent me these jacks, and I wanted to put one under my cargo trailer, put them both under there. And so you can see I've already got this one on. I got it set up and everything. I've already got it down. So I was going to show you over here on the other side. I was going to show you with me letting it down. Now thank goodness here, I want to show this. They sent me a 19 millimeter socket that goes right on the end. They also sent the long part where you could do it manually, but to be able to go down, all I do, and that's it. It's down and it's stationary. This thing is stable as can be. I really appreciate them doing that to send me these because I needed these. So if y'all need a good set of jacks, these stabilizer jacks, look into these.